Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Chivalry to not loading, getting stuck on the loading screen and showing a black screen on PC Epic Games.
Fix 1. Verify game files Step 1. Open Epic Games Launcher Step 2. Go to Library, click 3 dots on Chivalry 2 Step 3. Click Verify, and wait for completion. Fix 2. Update GPU driver Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience /AMD Adrenalin Step 2. Check for latest driver update Step 3. Restart PC after update. Fix 3. Run game and launcher as admin Step 1. Right, click Epic Games Launcher, run as administrator Step 2. Go to Game Install folder Step 3. Right, click Chivalry 2. exe, run as administrator. Fix 4. Disable overlays and background apps Step 1. Disable Epic Overlay, Discord Overlay, Steam Overlay Step 2. Close background apps, MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner. Step 3. Relaunch the game.